In this video, we take a look at the Panda 1800, so stay tuned. Hello everyone, this is Josh from Kingdom DTF. Welcome one more time to the channel. This is your first time stopping by. You know what to do: subscribe, hit the like button, and also click the bell notification so that way you know when we got new videos out there. So guys, we're going to show you in this two parts video of the video, part 1 and part 2, the Panda 1800. So the first part is going to be unboxing and explaining all that come with that printer, and the second one is going to be putting the inks, priming, doing the maintenance on all of that. At the same time, if you get the Panda 1800, you're going to receive a USB that is going to contain video tutorials as well from the manufacturer. And now with you is going to be one of our team members, Tina, that is going to explain to you how the Panda 1800 works. So stay tuned.
What's up, y'all? It's your girl, Tina, back at it again. We're in the lab here with Dexter. And so today we're gonna do a video on the actual Panda 1800, putting it together, assembling the roller, the exit tray, showing you what all comes included in the box when you receive the shipment. So let's get to it. We're gonna start with the roller. So this is what's included for the roller. These are the end pieces. And the only thing you're gonna need for this project is a Phillips screwdriver. So he's actually gonna show you step by step what we're doing. We're gonna get through this together, guys, because this is a first for me. So there aren't too many videos that show, step-by-step tutorials. So we'd like to change that up and make some things available, make it a little easier, as these machines don't always come with instructions. There are a bunch of versions on the market, as you know, and if you don't, it favors the Epson L1800. It's also out there as the Procolored, but this right here, this is the Panda 1800, and it comes from Kingdom DTF. So it is a desktop printer. It isn't one of the commercial size. It does hold a 13-inch roll. So super excited to assemble this and put this together. This is one of the second printers I've purchased from this company, and it's been phenomenal. The first one was the L1800. I know that there's horror stories, but it's been good to me. It's 3 years strong. So, maintenance, guys, maintenance is so important. So that looks pretty simple. So you just remove those two screws there. Put the first, what you call that, a bracket?
First bracket.
Okay, the first bracket on that side. So it looks super simple. Okay, so that was super easy. So that's how you install the brackets for the roll. Now we're gonna show you how to put a roll on. So bear with me just a second. I'm gonna grab one so we can slide it on so you see how the caps go on the ends. All right, guys, so we got a roll. We're gonna go ahead and install it really quick. So something new that I just learned, the end of each one of these caps here has a screw behind it. And once you've put the roll on, you just slide it in, push the cap in, push the other end in, bring it down a little bit. Okay, push it in, there you go. And you just drop it in the little slots on each side. Now, there's a screw on each end of these caps, and that's to tighten it. So make sure that you tighten it on each end. Pretty cool feature, I think, to keep it stable and secure. All All right, and that's how you install the roll feeder and a roll. Okay guys, so we're gonna empty out the box that it came with, and these are where all the parts are included. So first we have the power cord, obviously to plug in behind the machine to the outlet. Then it also comes with a RIP software. It's your preference on which one you use. I won't be using the one that comes included. Okay, the next one we have is they sent on over some, that is the USB cord that connects the printer to your laptop and or desktop, whichever you choose to use. It also came with a extra set of ink lines attached with dampers. Pretty cool, because those always come in handy. A bag of extra syringes. That's always helpful. You know how we go through those. There is a little piece of tubing that did come included, and this tubing actually goes on the back side where the inks are, so that's just spare, and we'll show you that. It has an ink pad, a little cloth, and we'll show you exactly where that's placed also in just a moment. Then it had another little bag of almost like a little cloth just to wipe everything down, always helpful. And then the exit tray and paper cutter. Also a cool feature on this printer. So if you're using the rolls and you have to cut it out, or rather cut off the ends, that's attached to the exit tray and you just literally swipe across. So we're gonna go ahead and assemble the exit tray now. And the exit tray is important so that the actual paper stays steady as it's printing and it comes out. So there aren't, to avoid especially print head strikes. There you go, you just push that on in, and that's on. And then the cutter, I really appreciate the cutter idea. Like, I absolutely love the printer already. It's so cute. And I'm sure that's not why you guys are buying it, but I'm sure that it's gonna be great. But it's compact, you know. You're able to put it pretty much anywhere, especially in a home office if you're just starting off, or if you're just, even if you're not selling transfers per se and it's just for your t-shirt brand. DTF has become super versatile, as you guys may know. And in order to keep up with these printers, it really is just maintenance. Maintenance is key. If you don't have the right humidity, the right temperature, it can play so many factors on your film, on your powder, your inks. So if you just want to start off and you want to get your feet wet, I highly recommend this unit for sure. I've had a great experience with the L1800. I do run commercial ones also. But for the home office, I use the smaller desktop versions. That was super secure. And that's it, guys. That's easy. That easy. All right, so we're going to show you this side of the machine so you can see exactly where the inks will be going. Just a second. So this right side, as we showed you in the unboxing, this is actually where you will be filling in all of your inks. So you would take your white, your yellow. And the pretty cool part about this is that it has a circulation system, and it also allows you to see the level of inks that you have left on the very front of the casing. Makes it so much easier, and you don't have to shake it every day, so that's super helpful. Okay, you can close that. And if we turn the back side, there's the power button. And then there's your waste tank. So as you do your head cleanings before you start your shift and at the end of your shift, all the excess ink will go into that little jar there, and then you can toss that out before it gets full. I would never let it get all the way to the top. You don't want anything to come back. Okay guys, so one thing we did forget to mention is on the actual paper cutter, on each end there is a little bracket that you have to screw in on the side. On that little white piece of paper you see in front of it, those are the brackets. So each side will take one and you'll screw those in, and that will secure the actual blade, the actual cutting blade across. So on the inside is where we're going to put the little ink pad for, there you go, it's a little cotton pad. It goes on the inside just to pick up any excess ink. Okay guys, so this is the inside of the machine from the top, and in this little casing right here is where this ink pad is gonna go, that little cotton pad that you received, just to pick up any excess ink. And then this is your ink line and dampers. And like I said before, it did come with an extra set, always helpful. And this is your print head carriage. Can you move that side to side so they can see what it is? This is your print head carriage, and beneath the dampers is where your print head actually sits. Oh, maybe you can't move it because it's still blocked. There you go. Okay guys, so we just wanted to get a close-up on the exit tray. The paper cutter has been placed in securely. The brackets have been put in, screwed in. And so we're gonna show you how to remove the exit tray and put it back on, just in case you didn't catch it the first time. So just gently lift up. And you see those two slots? There's two little hooks on each end, see that? And it's gonna go into the two little slots on the front of the printer. See that right there? Go ahead. Oh, and each side of the cutter has been installed with the brackets and the screws. Okay, so once your machine has been assembled, this is what the final product looks like. Again, you guys, this is the Panda 1800 from Kingdom DTF. Holding in a 13-inch roll. I love it guys, stay tuned for the next video.